What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video of an announcement today. We've reached 200 subscribers, 204 to be exact. It just blows my mind that this thing has taken off and gotten this big already. And I just really wanted to say I appreciate everybody for coming along on the ride. Thanks for the subs, the likes, and the comments. Just want you to know that I do read and respond to each and every one of them. And I encourage you to leave more. If you see something I'm doing that bothers you, tell me. If you see something that you would like to see done differently, tell me. Please. I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this as just something that I enjoy doing and sharing. I'm always working on coming up with some kind of new ideas, some channels to share, working on videos of models that I've built and, reveals, slideshow reveals, trying to work on new ideas all the time. Here's a few on the end here that I haven't shared yet. It's just a quick teaser. Those are coming up soon, as well as some other what's in the box videos and builds that I'm working on. And as always, leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that kind of good stuff. Thank you so much for coming along in this journey so far, and I look forward to doing more.